Hey girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. As always, very excited to be with you. So today, we're just going for it. We're going to play Mighty 10 with numbers. I have all the numbers down here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we should be able to find all tens partners. So pause the video if you need to, and I want you to tell me all the tens partners that you see. Okay, so here we go. Let's start with the 2. The 2's tens partner is who? Show me fingers. 2 goes with what? You should be showing me 8, right? Because 2 goes with, great, I got one in the middle here. 2 goes with 8. 2 and 8 makes 10. All right, what's another one? Who does the 5 go with? Who does the 5 go with? 5 has a twin, right? 5 goes with, show me number of fingers. 5 goes with 5. 5 and 5 makes 10. Okay, so that's 2 we have. Oh, I see 2 of them side by side. Yeah, they're touching. You see, look, 9 goes with 1. 9 and 1 makes 10. Okay. Let's see. 4 and 0 do not make 10. What goes with 0? 0 plus what gives me 10? It would have to be 10, right? 0 and 10 makes 10, or 10 and 0 makes 10. So 10 and 0, 0 and 10, right? 2 and 8, or 8 and 2. It's magic. 5 and 5, or 5 and 5. Okay, we've got a couple more here. What else do you see? Let's see, how about 7 and 6? That doesn't work, does it? 4 and 7. Oh, how about 7 and 3? Does 7 plus 3 equal 10? You know it. Does 3 plus 7 equal 10? You know it. All right, and our last two, 6 and 4 makes 10, and 4 and 6 makes 10. So we've been doing this all week, right? We did it with dots. We did it with rec and rec counters. What else do we do? And now we're doing it with numbers. We've been doing it all week, and you guys are doing fantastic. Okay, so let's get into our lesson for today. I would like you to take out what you did yesterday with your Thursday tens partner subtraction. Okay, and I did this on purpose. Did you notice what I did? I have 10 minus 5 and 10 minus 5. I have 10 minus 3 and 10 minus 7. 10 minus 1 and 10 minus 9. 10 minus 2, 10 minus 8, 10 minus 4, 10 minus 6. So what did I do, boys and girls? What am I trying to get you to see? Well, let me tell you. In the same way that 6 and 4 makes 10, and 4 and 6 makes 10, right? Did you notice that if you subtract 3, you get 7. If you subtract 7, you get 3, right? Because these are tens partners, 7 and 3. And we were just doing 6 and 4, right? So look, 10 take away 4 is 6. So if I'm at 10 and I hop back 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm at 6. If I'm at 10 and I hop back 6, 5, 6, I end up at 4. Okay? So this is how these facts are all connected. 10 take away 1 is 9. 10 take away 9 is 1. 10 take away 2 is 8. And 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, so these are all connected. So if you know, boys and girls, if you know that 7 plus 3 equals 10, you also know that 3 plus 7 equals 10. You also know that 10 take away 3 is 7. Oops, 7. And 10 take away 7 would give you 3. All connected, okay? All right, let's go. You also worked on this yesterday. I want to review this for just a couple minutes. Okay, how did you do with this, boys and girls? So one way to do it, right, is to draw, you have your 13 dots or cookies, as I call them, and then you cross off 7. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then see how many are left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So that's one way to do it. The way that I'm trying to push you to do it and encourage you to think about it is a little bit more efficient, which means it's still correct, but it's a little bit faster than crossing off each one. Is to think, if I'm doing 13 minus 7, if I subtract 3, I get to my 10. And then I have to subtract 4 more. And I know that 10 minus 4 is 6. And there's my answer. So that's where I'm trying to push you. If you're not ready for it, I understand. You can use this strategy. It works as well. And the double 10 frame really shows you, first you subtracted 3, and then 4 more, and then you got your answer. Okay? All right, so here you should have gotten, your answer should have been 8. If you take away 3, how many more do you have to take away if you're taking away 5? You still have to take away 2, and you're left with 8. If you're here, 13 minus 8, take away 3 to get to 10. How many do you still have to take away if you're taking away a total of 8? You still have to take away 5 more, right? If you have 8, and you've already taken away 3, you still have 5 left to take away. So if you took all these away, you'd be left with 5. Okay, and here you would get 7, and here you would get 4, just like that. Okay, you would take away 3, take away 4 more. I'm sorry, not 4 more, 3 more. Huh? Silly, Mr. McAndrew. And you'd end up with 7. Okay, and here you would take away 3, and you'd have to take away 6 more. Okay, so actually for this fact, I might even think of it as 9 plus what gets me to 13. 9 plus 1 gets me to 10, plus 3 more gives me 13. So there's different ways you can think about these. Okay? All right, let's move on to Friday. Whew, Friday, my goodness. What happened? There's no word problem here. Oh my goodness, boys and girls. Do you think I made a mistake? I didn't, actually. I meant to leave it blank. So sometimes I let you come up with your own word problem. I would like you to write your own subtraction word problem. So it has to be subtraction, okay? And your answer has to be less than 10. All right, and I want you to start with a number greater than 10. So it could be, a number greater than 10 would be, let's say, 15. And you have to subtract something that gets you to less than 10. So if you subtracted 2, that's not going to be less than 10. So find something that would get you less, so maybe 15 minus 6. That would get you to less than 10. All right, but make up your own word problem. It could be about cookies or monsters or dolls or houses or whatever it is that you want to write about. And then you solve it, and then you write your equation. Okay, maybe your teacher will share it with the class. All right, so a couple more things. Your last tens partners subtraction for the week. You'll notice there's no visuals to help you. There's no number paths. There's no double 10 frames. So all we do is this. We roll it. I got a 1. 10 minus 1 equals. Now by now I think you should know that should equal 9. Okay, if you're not sure, you can go back and use one of your models, one of your visuals, but I'm trying to get you to the point where you don't need it. Okay, so I'm going to roll it again. I got a 2. 10 minus 2 is, let's see, 10 minus 2. I know that 2's 10's partner is 8, so it must be 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Yes, that does work. Okay, so don't write down what I'm doing, but I'm just showing you what I would do. Oh my goodness, that's funny, right? I got a 3. So 10 minus 3, 3's 10's partner is 7. So 10, and if you're not sure, use your fingers. 10, take away 3 gives me, or so 10, take away 3 gives me 7. Okay? Your parents might not like you using your fingers. It's okay right now to see it if you need to just check it. but we do want you to get to a point where you don't need your fingers. You can just see it in your head, right? And you can just get it quickly, okay? Because in second grade, boys and girls, when you're in second grade, you're going to be using big numbers, and then in third grade, you use even bigger numbers, so we want to move on from these numbers. All right, so have a good time. And then your very last thing is to be subtracting from 14 and 15, the same way you've been doing it all week. So here I have 14 minus 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 14 cookies. Wait, should I do cookies? Maybe I should do, these are Skittles. Yes. Or peanut butter cups. What do you think? We'll just go with Skittles. Okay, Skittles. You can make it peanut butter cups if you want. So I have 14 Skittles, and sadly, I give 5 away. Okay? So, I know. They come in packs of 10. So this is a pack of 10 Skittles, right? And then I have 4 more. The bag is already opened. Somebody's already eaten a bunch. But I have 14 left, and I'm going to give away 5. So I can give away 4 from this package. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I gave away 4. Now I have to open up this package, and if I'm giving somebody 5, let's say I'm giving my friend Jed, who's my best friend from growing up, if I'm giving him 5 Skittles, I've given him 4. How many do I have to take from here? If I want to give him a total of 5, I have to give him 1 more from here. So I did 14, take away 4, gets me to 10, minus 1 more gets me to 9. Okay? So yeah, so think of it as like bags of candy, and that might help you to think about the strategy. All right, boys and girls, a lot of work this week. We learned to subtract from 10, like 10 minus 2, 10 minus 5, 10 take away 3. We did subtracting to 10, like 15 minus 5 is 10. 14 minus 4 is 10. 12 minus 2 is 10. And then we use that to subtract using our 10 strategy to do facts like this. Okay, so you guys did a lot of work this week. I'm very proud. All right, be good to your parents, be good to yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.